hop on, the battery's up here, it is heavy in the front.
Okay.
So it sticks into the sand a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I almost went over the bars already. So just careful of that just so you don't hurt yourself.
Hold the off button or just this bottom one?
So you just push that once and you're in gear.
Okay.
And then you hold this for like 1, 2, and neutral.
Okay, cool.
That's about it.
Holy cow, dude, this is insane! This is gonna be the craziest thing ever. Okay, front, rear. Okay. Oh my god. Ah! First laps on the Stark Varg. Thank you to my buddy Anthony, ironically, who has let me take his beautiful bike out. We're gonna try this thing and let you know how it is. Holy cow. It is so heavy in the front. Oh my, dude, it's so trippy being able to hear myself think and talk. Oh my gosh, dude, this bike is so sick. It's so easy to... I keep reaching for the back brake, even though you guys cannot see that. Woohoo! Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, this bike is so much fun. I'm getting tired. Stark Varg ride number 2. First ride on an actual track. And holy cow. She's a monster. That's for sure. Gosh, this thing is so much fun.
my first and second Stark Varg experience. I'm gonna preface this with the fact of I just love dirt bikes. I'm not pro e-bike, pro two-stroke, pro four-stroke. I just love dirt bikes. Two-stroke, four-stroke electric bike, you get the point. This bike is the most fun bike I have ever ridden. And I encourage you guys who are not the Stark Varg fans or not e-bike fans to ride this bike or ride an electric bike, because you're missing out on a lot of fun. The Stark Varg provides an incredible experience, not only on the fun factor side of things, which I have expressed numerous times throughout this video, but also it is racy, nimble, extremely compliant. It is by far the most compliant bike that I've ever ridden. Very comfortable and confidence inspiring when you're out there on the track, on the turn track. I didn't ride it on the trails, but just from riding it for, I don't know, a handful of laps on a turn track and the motocross track out at Cahuilla Mx, I can imagine this thing is only a blast on the trails. I really appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna have some more content rolling out very, very soon, especially with this. This is my 24 KX450. If you haven't seen, I dropped a first impression video on this a couple months back, so go ahead and watch that video. I will link it in the description below. But I do have some problems with this bike, so I'm going to update you guys with how that has been going. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.